On today's quick tip, we'll be going over bearing maintenance. Welcome to MBoards Quick Tips. Occasionally over time, after riding your board for a while, your wheel and wheel pulley bearings will need to be maintained or replaced. It's always a good idea to have a clean set of bearings in your board for the best riding experience. Starting off, the tools needed for this will be a skate tool, a microfiber rag or paper towel, isopropyl alcohol or acetone, bearing grease, a paintbrush, a small container, and a thin blade. We'll begin by removing the wheels from the skateboard truck and storing the nuts and washers somewhere safe. Continue by removing the bearings from the core of the wheels. In this case, we'll use the truck axle as leverage to get the bearings out. Next, we'll grab our dry rag or paper towel and gently wipe off any visible dirt or grime. Once wiped clean, we're going to use our small thin object, pocket knife or blade in our case, to remove the bearing shield caps. Put these to the side for now, we'll come back to these later on. Next, we'll move on to preparing our cleaning solution. Start off by grabbing a bowl or small container and pour enough isopropyl alcohol to submerge the bearings fully. Once your container is ready, go ahead and soak your bearings for about 5 to 10 minutes. Be sure to stir and agitate the container to help remove any dirt or buildup more effectively. If the solvent appears to darken in color, carefully pour out the solution and pour fresh solvent and repeat the previous steps as necessary until bearings appear clean and solution is not dark. After cleaning the bearings, we'll go ahead and remove them from our cleaning solvent and place the wet bearings on a clean paper towel for about 10 minutes so they can dry. When the bearings are finally dry, it's time to grease or lubricate them. Grab your bearing grease or lubricant and use your paintbrush or bottle applicator and dab a small amount onto the bearing balls. Spin the bearings to distribute the grease throughout. Before finishing up the cleaning process, wipe down the bearing shields with alcohol to be sure that they are free of any dirt or grime. Next, reattach the bearing shield caps. Finally, reinstall your bearings into your wheels. Mount your wheels onto your skateboard truck. Confirm that all bolts and washers are present and tightened appropriately. And that's it. Hopefully this quick tip will help you get some extra life out of your bearings and give you a more pleasant riding experience. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any of your own tips and tricks when it comes to bearing maintenance. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.